Hello my dear students, today we are going to see about NCERT class 9th question number 8 and 9, page number 14 of exercise 1.3 of exercise 1.3. Okay, in this question it is saying find three different irrational numbers. We should find out three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. This problem is so simple to do. First of all, what we have to do, take 5 by 7, okay, 7, 5. Is it possible? No, 0.0. Now, 7 sevens are, how much it will be? 49. What's remain? 1, 0. 7 ones are 7. Again, how much remain? 3, 0. 7 fours are 28, 2, 0. 7 twos are 14, 6, 0. 7 eights are 56, 4, 0. 7 fives are 35. What's remain? 5, 0. Again it will be going on, continuously it is going on. So 5 by 7 is equal to 0.714285 bar. 714285 bar. Next we will go for 9 by 11. 11 with 9. Okay. 0.0. 11 eights are 88. What's remain? 2, 0. 11 ones are 11. What's remain? 9. Again it will be going on. So 9 by 11 is equals to 0.81 bar. That means 0.81, 81, 81, 81 continuously going on. This also repeating again and again. So we should write the irrational numbers between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. So what will be the number in between 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar? How many we have to write? We have to write only 3. You can write number of numbers in between, number of irrational numbers between these two, but we should take only 3. It's your choice. What you want to take, you can take. Okay. So 0.7248 dash 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 dash. Okay. Next 0.734285 dash 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 dash. No problem. Next 0.756821 dash 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 dash. This dash 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 represent that numbers are non-terminating, going again and again without repeating. It is not repeating, it is going on. Okay. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is called as irrational number. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is called as irrational number. Okay. You can write any numbers. Okay. It is asking only 3. So I am writing this 3. Okay. We will see next question. Okay. This is the 8th question. We will see for the 9th question also. Now question number 9. In the question number 9 it is saying classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. Rational numbers can be written as Q and irrational numbers can be written as Q dash. Remember it, Q and Q dash. Now root over 23, already basic concept of this chapter we have seen previous. Okay. So this root 23, it cannot be written as in the form of P by Q. That means we cannot take out the perfect square for this one. So it is irrational number. Irrational. Now root 2 over 225. Can we take the LCM of this one? 5 for the 20, 5 of the 25. Then 5, 9 the 45. 3, 3 the 9, 3, 1 the 3. It is getting in pair. If it is getting in pair, can we write this in the form of 5 square and 3 square? That can be 5 into 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 5 into 3, how much it will be? 15. Now tell me, 15 is rational or irrational number? It is rational. It is rational. Now, can we convert this 0.3796 in the form of P by Q? 03796. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits after decimal point. So, it is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Then it is rational. It is rational. Now next, 7.478 continuously going on. Which number is getting repeat here? 7.478 is repeating. It is, now see, numbers are repeating 478. So it is non-terminating but repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. It is Q, rational. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Now, in some of the problems, some of the persons, they will say that it is not a rational, it is irrational number, because what will be the next number we don't know. But one example problem has been given in the NCERT textbook. By seeing that example you will understand this. Okay. Now 1.10, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, so on. Then after this, how many zeros it will get, we don't know, or will it be 0 or some other number, we don't know, because here only 1 0, here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros, here 4 zeros. Next what it will be, we don't know. So it is irrational number. It is irrational number. Okay. Now work for you. Check whether root over 81 is rational or irrational number. Rational or irrational number. Again, root 26 rational or irrational number. Next is 0.10100 dash, so on. Work for you. Check whether these numbers are rational or irrational number. If it is irrational number, you should give the reason also. If it is irrational number, why it is irrational number? If it is rational number, why it is rational number? Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.